Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Create This Book video. So remember to like this video and let's just jump right on in. So while I was not recording, I did do this other page, which is just create a page of garbage. It was really just for practice, but I did do like a cat in a garbage can peeking out because it was really cute and thinking of garbage. I don't know. It was really just for practice. So, I don't know what I'm going to do today. Oh god, the pencil. Oh my god. Anyway, what I was saying is I don't know what I'm going to do today. So, I'm just scrolling through and I found this create an advertisement page, and it's like, I guess, draw an ad for a product real or made up. So, yeah, I wanted to do that one. So, that's what we're going to do today. That page. So anyway, what I was gonna do is like I had this idea to make a rainbow candy, and I thought it would be really cool. And I'm just gonna do the classic, like, the candy that everyone knows. It's like a little one wrapped up, um, but it's gonna have 6 different flavors, so that's cool. Um, So yeah, I did erase the fluffs on the edge and the candy because it makes it so that it's just an outline. That way I can see it while I'm drawing, but you actually can't see it once the drawing is finished. So I enjoy doing that. You draw and then you erase and then you still have the groove lines. So moving on to inking, I was using the same pen as I did last time. And I'm just going around the edges, and I came to a sudden realization that this is not the pen that I wanted to use from Korea. That is the other pen. This is the one from Japan. So yeah, I'm correcting myself in the other video. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it, because I called this one the Korea pen, and the Korea pen was actually the other pen. So yeah, this is the Japanese pen. So anyway, finished the candy with all 6 different flavors, and I am writing these words because all advertisements have like click, like it's something like that draws you in. So I was just gonna write rainbow candy. So we are done. I hope you guys like my rainbow candy. I would love to try and make this into real candies sometime, so remember, like this video and we can maybe do that. And if you are new, subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And bye!